this evening. And as a former cricketer, I do know the importance of media. You know, when we needed to enhance the profile of the sport, the role that you all have played to uplift women's cricket in our country, and I look forward to a similar, similar way that you could come forward for this cause, as well as seeing the influences today in times of social media, how important your reels and your post does have a lot of impact, and it does carry the power of changing perspective and opinion about people. And it's such an important cause. As an ambassador, I urge, and my humble request to all of you to sort of require your support for this initiative. Now, of course, Rajendra sir has spoken and educated all of us about this condition, thalassemia. And in a very simple word, yes, it's a genetic blood disorder. And I've been to NTR Trust about a week back, and I did see few children, getting their blood transfusion done personally. And I've played a sport. We are all very healthy, and it is a privilege when I see those young children, getting pricked every 2-3 weeks. They require that, the conditions require them, their family, and especially when they are coming from a humble and a poor background. There's so much of emotional distress to the parents, and in the financial crunch. And all through this, the family silently battle this condition along with their children. Coming from a sports background, I do understand, the importance of having a good physique. And as children, we expect everybody to play sport. But when we see such young children go through these conditions, and it is for life, there is absolutely no cure for this. Whereas there are other conditions, other diseases where scientists are trying to find cure, and there are many which has solutions. But this is, so far there is no cure. It's just that they have to turn up to the hospitals every 3 or 4 weeks to get that blood transfusion done, and then they need to find donors as well. So it's a very tiresome process, and that's where I think NTR Trust plays a huge role, and they're actually doing an amazing job, especially having this trust to financially help such families, give them counseling, educate them. They're trying to spread the awareness, talking about it to young people, and this run is all about that. This initiative is all about that. And when they reached out to me, I think as someone who've done, I've made sure that if I have the ability to change lives and use my platform, I would be more than happy to lend that support to this initiative, and that is why I took up this job. And sir has also spoken about they're opening a new care center, thalassemia, in Vijayawada, which actually helps people with this condition in and around that place to reach out for treatment. They don't really have to travel far. Again, that sort of cut down on time, and they get help, when they require. So I think that's an amazing job. And we as people in our society, if we can sort of come together, because when we work together, that's what team sport is all about, the teamwork and the values. If we could bring all of that and make sure that, at least the next generation, we are able to cut down the ratio, perhaps spread the awareness about the prevention. Counseling is so important. As he rightly said, it is not contagious, but if people don't know about this condition, they probably will have a lot of perception about it. And that's where I think the media and the influencers step in. If you could reach out to your followers by educating them, but putting out videos, giving them the right information, which is so crucial in prevention, I think we all will be doing a little bit of our service to the society in this way. And and that's the hope that I see for this initiative. It's just not a run. I mean, I was just discussing this with ma'am and sir that we all have fitness is a way of life in today's time. Even normal people believe that they need to spend some time doing physical activity. But if that physical activity needs some meaning, these are the causes that we need it to be attached to. And young adults are somebody I feel that you have a voice. If you can use that for causes like this, I think it will do a lot of good for just not people who already exist with the condition, but the coming generation. We can perhaps reduce that. So with this, I again thank ma'am and sir for giving me this opportunity to be part of the NTR Trust family, welcoming me, and I'm so looking forward to contribute in whatever capacity that I can. Thank you very much.
So